Devon,
What are we doing today? I don't know. Roll cage stuff?
do-rag stuff.
Do-rag stuff. Double chicken. I'm so glad I did my makeup today. Check this out. You ain't ready for this.
Damn. The future is now.
Who needs a ruler when you got a cap?
Right?
You got a lid to something that's not really straight, but we're just gonna use it anyways.
It's close enough.
It's called drift car, dude. Really, nothing really matters.
It's gotta be close. It's not close enough.
Whatever. All right, let's make this one cut. Oh, I'm just gonna stand right the fuck here and do it.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, did you? Oh, never mind. It's about to be like, dude, just sweep this up. Let's be real upset. Let's fucking hold it like a psycho.
I mean, that's the rule, right?
Right into my hand. You gotta bite this part.
I mean,
I'm running this fucking thing right into my wrist.
well, that's no fun.
I know it's not. Dude, I'm good.
I know, right?
I guess I'm just a big bitch. I don't know. Hey, where'd them vice grips go? Those big ones. I bet you they're saving. You say I bet you they're somewhere? Yeah. You're a lot of help. Well, let me know when you find them. I'll prove I was right.
Look at that. They were somewhere.
I got him, dude. I had to build this box around all of this, so my car's a holy pile of shit.
I know, it's cool. That's cool.
And this piece just fits perfectly in there.
That's sweet, dude.
God damn it.
That's how you know you're a cool guy.
I guess.
It's almost like you know what you're doing.
I don't know what I'm doing, that's the thing. I can weld, but this is a little different than what I'm used to. Works out though.
You're a welder, not necessarily a fabricator.
I never said I was a hey, I never said I was a good one. Okay?
Yeah.
I just get paid to do it for some reason. Alright, well, let's get to it.
I mean, I can weld, dude, but I'm better with a grinder.
That was in no way take two.
Yeah, no.
How's it going, dude?
Good. considering how rusty the fucking thing is.
That's what's up. I'm not gonna touch it. It's not a hole yet. I'm gonna leave it alone.
Oh, thank God. Alright, let's get the fucking main bar in here, I guess.
Well, let's fucking do it.
Oh, nice box, dude.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah! How much left you got over there? It's from the car, like how many fingers you think?
2, barely.
Yeah, I'm like, hold on, let me scoot it your way just like a smidget.
I'm like a ½ inch at the bottom. I would just fucking lean this thing back, like here. It's like same length as your A pillar, or your B pillar then.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And it gets you closer back here.
Huh? That's about as close as I'm gonna get. Such a turd. Oh God! Hold on. This thing sucks.
You can do it. I believe in you.
It sucks a lot.
Come on now.
I'm trying.
Let's make this one take.
I think look at real life and fucking.
The kids have watched enough of your welding for a little bit. Let's give them some treats. All right, Devin. Now this time, do it, but better.
Yeah, okay.
You know, I ain't even gonna put that one in the video.
No, it's also wearing different shoes and shit.
All I'm hearing is complaints, man. I don't know if I'd count that. I don't know if I'd count that.
Trying to roll away?
I'm trying to roll away. That's the way it counts.
Oh, it's a fucking floppy piece of plywood.
Fiberglass. God damn it. Get closer. Big flipping it, dude.
Bro, dude. You need me to kiss it before you land it, dude? You want to kiss it before I land it? Kiss that fucking mouth.
Alright.
Take that rail down, son. Ball iron in.
You just gotta keep. You see that right there? Right there. Keep that here, and we'll be good to go.
I'm sorry, Dad.
I forgive you, son.
I'll do better next time, I promise. Over rotate.
That was good luck, and you gotta land it right now. This try.
It's the hat, that's what it is.
Yep.
That's what it is. It's the hat, dude. Oh my God! Not the hat. Take my pants off. Do this in my underwear. Oh my God! This is fucking getting Fiberglass.
Yeah. I made that.
What's a big piece of shit is what it is.
It used to have like sides on it, and then it's like base for like.
This is dumb.
Hey, you landed this try, I'll buy you dinner.
Oh, wow. Now the pressure's on. Fuck me. That count?
No.
Damn it. Hold on.
I'm gonna erase that part.
Yeah. Hate this fucking place. I hate the skateboard. I hate you guys. All of you guys suck.
You know, can't do a kickflip, dude.
What you can't do a kickflip. See, dude. I tried to stay on it.
We're going that one.
All right, man, you're done. You're
I'm
done.
not. I'm not. I'm not. Forget this flip. It's like I just can't turn the fucking thing. I'm done. I'm done with this. This is really dumb.
Up now I hit it. Now you say it. Well, forgot what I was gonna say.
Nice, dude.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.
Ooh,
and,
that smells bad.
All right. Fuck you guys. Well, so how'd your car come out?
It's not done. Ran out of welding gas, but
That's pretty
tomorrow's another day.
Give him hell, bud.
Uh-huh.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I don't know. Have a nice day.